Yeah, so during an emergency situation or a SHTF situation, the chances of dealing with death is a little bit higher than normal life and normal situations. So we have to be prepared for that as well. First of all, the psychological part of it is going to be devastating. Like in a normal situation, dealing with death is not easy. I do believe that in an emergency situation it might even be worse, seeing that you've already got the added problem of the emergency or the SHTF that you have to deal with. Add the death to that and it can really be a bit very traumatic. So yeah, that's just the introduction to this section of the video. So let's get right into it. I think we have to be honest with each other and say that dealing with a death in a SHTF or emergency situation is going to be more traumatic than any other time or any other situation. But it is a reality and we have to deal with it. First of all, I think that you should have a mindset of that although the person, your loved one, whoever it is, has passed away, that should not be your priority. Your priority should remain with the living, and you should act accordingly. There will be more than enough time afterwards, hopefully, to deal with that situation, to deal with the burial and all the trauma that goes with that. But I think the main priority of such a situation would be to ensure that you do take care of the living. And yeah, like I was trying to say, is that your priority should remain with those that is still alive, dealing with, or first of all, putting them as a priority, the ones that's still alive, the ones that you can take care of, and then dealing with your medical emergencies. And then after that, when the situation is under control, or to such an extent that you can actually do something about it, then we will have to deal with the deceased. Now, it might sound very easy to say that, and to a certain extent it is easy to say that, but that should be your mindset. That should be the way that you think and the way that you prepare. Whether it will be practical and whether I will actually be able to put my money where my mouth is in that situation is totally up for discussion.